Welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. In this session, we are going to learn what is the contribution from Rajasthan in terms of wind power installed capacity, what is the total installed capacity in the state, what is the year on year contribution from that state, what is the historical trend and how it is. Also, you are going to learn what is the position of that state in terms of total installed wind power capacity as per the latest data available. End of the session, you are also going to get a gift from us for your continuous progress in the wind energy sector. Let us start. Hi, welcome back to Wind Energy Career Gags. I'm Mahendran. In this session, as I said, we are going to learn what is the contribution from Rajasthan for the wind power installed capacity, and we will see from the total installed capacity to year on year contribution, all the stuffs we are going to see it now. So you might be already know like what is their position. If not, I am going to reveal it now. They are now in fourth position in terms of total installed capacity. So let us see how their contribution or what is the total capacity, installed capacity. Then we can also see how their year-on-year contribution. Let us start. So the total installed capacity they contributed as of now like 5,193.42 megawatt. So this is keeping them in the fourth position. And year-on-year trend, let us see how the year-on-year trend also going, because that's give you a lot of idea about how the state contribution in terms of like to the total installed capacity. And otherwise, what is the vision we have in terms of total capacity India want to achieve? That already I shared you. Okay, you can check the previous videos also. Now you can see the first data, which is like till 2002. Till 2002, what is the installed capacity at the uh, state, which is like a very minimum. You can see 16.1 megawatt till 2002. After that, the contribution you can see like very good growth. You can see the golden period for them. It is this is like 2008-9 to 2016-17. Good contribution. Like it's really amazing. How like you can see year on year they were almost consistent in for more than 2 4 6 years around 50 to 100 megawatt 102. That was the like their trend. But from 2008-9 to till 2016-17, except 2013-14, the growth is very good. Like it's like the golden period for them. Like almost 199 started with 2018 8-9. Then they grown like very closely 350 megawatt above and 436.7 megawatt and 545 megawatt. Again, they achieve 615 megawatt. So it's like visibly you can see like how their contribution like during this period. Then 2013-14, a very big tip. Again, come back to less than 100 megawatt. Again, they like bounce back 523.5 megawatt and 687.9 megawatt in 2015-16. And 16-17, again the downward trend, it is 287.7. After that, now we can't see any big improvement in the state in terms of wind power, new addition of the wind power there. So considering this, already you might be seeing our previous videos about other states, how they are contributing, how it is growing, and all those things. So I'm asking one question to you, like before sharing what is the gift you are going to get, whether the India will achieve. It's a micro learning question. Okay, you can give your answer in the like our comment section. Whether India will achieve its 2030 target and 2050 target in terms of renewable energy. This is the question to you. Very simple yes or no question. If you say yes, then like share what are the things making you to say yes. If you are sharing no, then share what are the things you are thinking that because of this India can achieve the targets. So please share that. Meantime, I am also going to share with you like what is the other way you can learn through like from us. Like these are the two simple, like in this video series you are learning. Other than that, you can also visit our channel. Okay, that will help you to like learn in two different way. One is like just now I asked you like what is the one micro learning question. That also one way of helping you to learn. The other way is here. So that's what I want to share with you. Like here you can visit our website, sustainablelifestylehub.com. So from there you can find like very valuable informations, especially if you are in wind energy sector. You can visit RE quiz. The home page is here. Like you can go to RE quiz section where you can find the all two opportunity to learn. One is like you can ask attend the quizzes, take participate in the quizzes. You will win the real prizes. That's also what we are mentioned here. You can check it out, and then you will see there is a possibility to take part in different variety of quizzes. Like it is not only the particular type. Whatever will help you in terms of internet sector, everything available from tech specification to technology to some case studies and some wind energy basic related things. More things going to be added, so you will be get continuous benefit from this. Like you will get certificates, digital certificates if you participating, and your name also going to be listed here for the performance wise, like how you are scoring. A top scorer will be listed here. Apart from that, you can have like ask us question, like sharing this option, share your priority questions. When you click here, you will be taken to this particular form. Here you can ask your question at a time. 5 questions you can ask. If you want to ask more question, you can add one more time. Like that, like I listed already some of the area I can answer. If you have more questions other than this particular area, also you can ask that. I will connect with the experts in this field, that we can present in the video format or interview format or any other format which will help you to like grow even your like within your career within the wind energy sector or renewable energy sector, or who what are the role you are playing. If this content is going or these questions are answered will help you really, we are going to put all our effort to bring that answer to you. So let us see with a lot of information in the next session. Like you can guess now what will be the next state and what is their total installed capacity. I will come up with the next video. In that video you can learn all those things. We will cover completely this series. Meantime, I was thinking about like already we talked about what is the total possible potential in each state, that we already discussed. You check the previous videos. Now we are covering what is the total installed capacity available. After that, wind related potential wise analysis, many things are going to come. So get ready for that. So thank you once again for watching. If you found this video useful, please share with your friends, colleagues who are in wind energy sector or whoever you think that it will be helpful. Also, if you are interested, please subscribe whenever you want to get the like update from us. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.